Video tutorial number 6, my data section. Upload your own information in CSV formats. To access the GeoVisor of the Amazonia 2.0 project, enter to the web portal amazonia2.0.com and click on GeoVisor. In this section, you will find a short description and an introductory video about the platform. At the bottom of this page, you will find the GeoVisor. Click on it and a new window will open containing the platform. It is recommended to open it in browsers such as Firefox or Brave. Use the User Manual button in light blue to access our user manual, where you will find a detailed step-by-step of the platform's options and tools. In this tutorial, we will review my data section. This section allows the user to add their own data and view it together with the information available within the GeoVisor. It should be mentioned that the uploaded information is temporary and will only be visible on the computer where the files are being uploaded. Once the session is closed, the information will be deleted. To access this section, I will click on the Add Layer button in yellow. We can notice that there are two tabs. The first one, Data Catalog, and the second one, My Data. I will click on the second option in orange. Next, two options will appear. Add Local Data in pink, which will open by default. This option allows you to upload information to the platform from a local file. Step 1. Select the format of the file you want to add to the workspace in light blue. By clicking here, a window will be displayed in red with the different formats in which the files can be loaded within the GeoVisor platform. The formats supported by the platform are GeoJSON, KML or KMZ, CSV, CZML, GPX, JSON. It also has the option of uploading other types of formats, such as shape files. In this tutorial, we will explain how to upload your own information in CSV format to the platform. Most of the information saved in CSV format are coordinates. These types of files are read from Excel. Many times, the most commonly used format is .xls and not .csv. For this reason, and in case the information is in XLS format, we will first review the procedure to convert it to CSV. To exemplify this, I will open an Excel file on my computer. In this case, the file is on the desktop in the GeoVisor folder, and the name of my file is populationcenter_ec-xls. I will open my file in Excel. My file contains 6 columns: ID, description, name, type, latitude, and longitude. The last two have the geographical coordinates of the point that I'm going to visualize. It is worth mentioning that the Excel file must contain only geographical coordinates so that they can be viewed in the GeoVisor platform. In order for the XLS file to be added to the platform as CSV, several adjustments must be made. The first step for editing is to verify that the decimal separators are periods and not commas. If we observe that the decimals are separated with commas, we follow the next steps to convert them into periods. Click on File. Click on Options in the bottom left. In the pop-up window, click on Advanced. In the Editing Options section, we locate the option Use System Separators. In Decimal Separator, put a period, and in Thousand Separator, put a comma. Click on Accept. We observe that now the decimals of the coordinates are separated by periods. The second step is to edit the headings of the columns that contain the coordinates so that they can be read by the GeoVisor. Instead of the word latitude, you will always have to write lat, and instead of longitude, you have to write long. We make the respective changes in both headers. The third step is to save the file in CSV format. To do this, we go to File, click on Save As. We select the folder where we want to save the file. In the pop-up window in the Type section, we choose the CSV option in green, delimited by commas, *.csv. Click Save. In the pop-up window, click Yes. we close the file. The fourth and last step is to verify that the separators in the .csv file are given by commas and not by semicolons. For this, we go to the previously saved file in .csv format, we right-click on it, and in Open With, we click on the option Notepad. If the data separators are semicolons, we follow these steps to edit and change them into commas. I will click on Edit in yellow, then in Replace in orange. In the search section, we delete the information found here and instead write a semicolon. In the Replace With section, we delete the information found here and instead write a comma. We click on Replace All in purple. Close the pop-up window. We close the CSV file. This way, the file is ready to be loaded into the GeoVisor. Once the adjustments are made, I go back to the GeoVisor platform. I will click on Add Layers in yellow. In my Data tab in orange, add Local Data option in pink. In step 1, I will select the CSV format in green. The selected format will appear in the light blue box in orange. In step 2, I will click on Browse in yellow. I will locate the .csv file that I previously edited and saved. Once my file is uploaded in both my data in green and the preview section in pink, I will click on Done in yellow. Next, the information in my CSV file will be displayed in the workspace in yellow, with its respective legend in orange. In the legend, we can see that there are several options under the Display Variable heading in blue. These options correspond to the information with which we can symbolize our map. The options we have are ID, Description, Name, and Type, which are the names of the columns that make up my CSV file. To see the different options, I will click on Type in orange. We can see that the symbology with which the data is represented on the map changes in pink. And so does the legend in light blue. Now there are 3 colors that represent the type of populated centers, being these: towns, parishes, and cities. By using the zoom tools in red, we can navigate on the loaded layer until we have a complete view of the information. In this case, I will zoom in yellow until I can see the different types of towns in Ecuador more clearly. Clicking on a specific point in yellow in the loaded layer will make the table of attributes appear in light blue. This contains all the information related to the CSV file that we just uploaded. In this tutorial, we have reviewed how to upload files in CSV format to the GeoVisor platform. If you want to explore the different functions and uses in more detail, we invite you to download the user manual by accessing the web portal, amazonia2.0.com, by clicking on the GeoVisor and once on the platform, on User Manual in light blue.